All right, so today we are going to find the product of numbers that are written in scientific notation and then write our answer in scientific notation. So the first thing we want to do is we understand that all of these things are being multiplied. So let's change the way it looks a little bit. Now, because we have properties of exponents, that's going to help us in this multiplication. So the first thing we should do is let's multiply 4 times 3, which we know to be 12, and we'll put it 0.0. And then again, using these properties of exponents, we know that 10 to the third times 10 to the negative sixth, we will just add their exponents and get times 10 to the negative third. Now, the problem with this is, although it looks like it's in scientific notation, it is not in scientific notation because this number is not between 1 and 10. So we need to make an adjustment. So let's look over here and say, okay, we know that 12.0. Let's put this number in scientific notation by moving the decimal one place to the left here and get 1.2 times 10 to the first. And then let's also remember we need to include this times 10 to the negative third. And then when we combine these two powers of 10, we have 1.2 times 10 to the negative second. Okay, so we can do the same thing for example 2, but we'll skip some steps. So we know we're going to multiply these two numbers first, and we'll get 16.4. We'll multiply these by adding their exponents and get times 10 to the negative second. And now let's do some adjustment. So this would be 1.64 times 10 to the first, and then remember to bring this over as well, times 10 to the negative second, which means we get 1.64 times 10 to the negative first, and you're done.